Well, Alan, two key points to consider here. A dashboard camera can clear you of responsibility in certain kinds of crashes. And because of that, there are now growing calls for camera owners to get a discount on their auto insurance. There are a whole video genre on sites like YouTube, dashcam videos like these Russian ones that show some incredible scenes. Who's expecting a helicopter flying right over the highway? Dashcams in vehicles are growing in popularity because of what they can do if you're in an accident. And there are calls to give drivers incentives to use them.
If you have a camera that shows everything, it makes sense to me.
Alex Serbert is a young driver in Toronto.
Gives me peace of mind while I'm driving.
Twice already, dash cams have come in handy in two separate accidents. In the first case, Serbert is driving at the speed limit when he's suddenly rear-ended.
Within seconds, he said, okay, I can see that that's not your fault.
The older driver behind him claimed he'd been swerving in and out of traffic, an argument disproven by the footage. And in this case, driving and accelerating to get on the highway when a taxi cuts in. His insurance company originally planned to hold him partially liable until they saw the video.
I pulled the footage and I said, listen, I was just driving straight.
It's a win-win for drivers and for the insurance companies.
Canada's largest dashcam retailer is calling on insurance companies to give discounts to drivers who use the cameras.
The dashcam footage can really help insurance companies to determine what exactly happened and what should be covered under the insurance policy.
British Columbia's public insurer isn't behind the idea.
There is no proven studies to show that dashcams can actually lower your risk of getting into a crash or having your car broken into.
But drivers in places like Korea get discounts for using cameras, incentives that don't exist here. With insurance scams growing and false claims rising according to companies, there's money to be saved all around. Zhang says there's another benefit.
And studies actually reflect that drivers with dashcams are much more careful when it comes to driving.
Dashcam users believe in them, and insurance companies frequently benefit from them, but so far at this point, no insurance companies are offering discounts to those who choose to buy them. Of course, that could change. Alan Farr, back to you.
All right, something to keep your eye on. All right, thanks, Sean.
Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.